If you're looking for the best moisturizers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Yes, this is technically branded as a body cream, but Dr. Hadley King, clinical instructor of dermatology at the Weill Medical College of Cornell University, says this is a great cream for both face and body. That's because it's packed with hydrating humectants like glycerin and skin-softening emollients like glyceryl stearate and sweet almond oil. Dr. Rachel Nazarian recommends it to her patients regularly and says that it's incredibly lightweight and comfortable for daily use throughout the year. Plus, it's readily available at the drugstore. The price point on this line of moisturizers makes it a no-brainer, says Dr. Rita Linkner. She recommends transitioning to Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion in the summer because it's much lighter than the cream for those months, when your sebum levels, your skin's natural lubrication, balanced out. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Aquaphor Healing Ointment. There are those with skin that tends to get parched and flaky, particularly in the winter months. And then there are those whose skin is so dry it can actually look scaly, and as a result, is exceptionally hard to nourish. If you're in the latter category, Dr. Susan Binder and Dr. Caitlin Woolridge of Westlake Dermatology recommend Aquaphor. Ointments are the best at fortifying the skin barrier and locking in moisture, says Woolridge, and Aquaphor does just that. The added glycerin can also help repair a damaged skin barrier, a common culprit for a lack of moisture. Binder warns that it can be a bit greasy, but thinks it's great when used immediately after the shower or bath to lock in moisture and help heal dry, cracked skin. It's also fragrance-free, making it a good option for those with sensitive skin as well. The number 3 position is held by Vanicream Moisturizing Skin Cream. We've recommended Vanicream as a solution for extremely dry skin before, but it's just as effective and gentle for your face. Dr. Ive Rodney, founding director of Eternal Dermatology Plus Aesthetics, calls Vanicream ideal because it's formulated specifically for sensitive skin, so it's free of lanolin, formaldehyde, parabens, and fragrances that commonly irritate dry, sensitive skin. That said, she notes that it's loaded with ceramides, which reinforce the skin barrier and seal in moisture. Strategist writer Lauren Rowe has tested and recommends Vanicream. She was immediately impressed with how luxurious and rich the cream felt on my skin and surprised by how easily it spread. Next at number 4, we have La Roche-Posay Talirian Double Repair Face Moisturizer. French drugstore brand La Roche-Posay has a cult following, and Dr. Hope Mitchell, a board-certified dermatologist in Parisburg, Ohio, highly recommends the brand's Talirian line for dry skin because with dimethicone, soothing niacinamide, water-attracting glycerin, and hydrating ceramides, it's perfect for hydrating dry skin associated with redness. She suggests this moisturizer for those with acne-prone skin, especially if you are treating your acne with drying ingredients like benzoyl peroxide. It's also a nice option for those with combination skin, which can warrant multiple moisturizers. The number 5 position is held by Neutrogena Hydro Boost. 4 of our dermatologists also love this Neutrogena gel cream formulated for extra dry skin. And so do our readers. It has been on bestsellers lists over 10 times. Gel textures are typically targeted toward those with normal or oily skin, but Mitchell says this cream is actually perfect for dry skin, and it works pretty quickly. Give it a week. The hyaluronic acid and glycerin will quench the dryness and deliver soft, smooth, and hydrated skin, she says. The gel texture also means that it smoothly disappears into the skin, so it can be worn alone or under makeup, says Rodney. We've also recommended this product for mature skin, sunburned skin, Accutane users, and even for pregnant women because it's so hydrating and gentle. The number 6 position is dominated by Weleda Skin Food. For those looking to keep their skincare routine as clean as possible with actually effective products, Weleda Skin Food, which contains all natural ingredients, comes recommended by everyone from makeup artists to former strategist writers to author Stephanie Danler. My skin was flawless, luminous even, and not at all greasy, Danler told us after trying it for the first time. Weleda brands the Balm-like cream as a natural remedy for excessively dry skin, though it does offer a light version for the summer or those who need less help. Although it doesn't feature ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides that we've called out before, it is chock full of fatty acids and vitamin E, which naturally moisturize and soften the skin. On top of that, pansy soothes irritation while the calendula flower extract helps to repair the damaged skin. Moving on to the next at number 7 with CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion PM. We named this our best overall drugstore moisturizer once before because it's full of the ingredients needed to soothe dry, irritated skin, such as ceramides and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients hold cells together and strengthen the skin's barrier, protecting it from water loss and influx of irritants, as well as offer continuous 24-hour maximum hydration while soothing the skin, says Mitchell. It also includes niacinamide, which acts as an anti-inflammatory to calm down any redness and tenderness in the dry areas of skin. On top of healing the skin, it's also lightweight, non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores, and oil-free, which Mitchell calls a triple bang for your buck. And though it's labeled as a nighttime moisturizer, you don't necessarily have to just use it at night, but that's when you'll probably see the most results. The number 8 position is held by Augustinus Bader the Cream. We've written about this luxury, fine, expensive cream many times before. Kathleen Hu, beauty director of The Cut, calls it the secret to rich person skin, while strategist beauty columnist Rio Vieira Newton once said it was the most coveted cream in the industry. It comes highly recommended by dermatologists and skin experts alike, too. Kim Zimmerman of Rescue Spa in Philadelphia recommends it for those who prefer a one-and-done product, especially on the laziest nights when you don't have time to slather on a million serums, but you still want all the anti-aging benefits. It's particularly excellent for dry, aging skin because it contains the brand's proprietary TF-Safe blend, which is a complex of natural amino acids, vitamins, and synthesized molecules that are actually naturally found in the skin. This then guides the ingredients into the cells to help restore the skin. On top of that, it also includes vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B5, and hydrolyzed rice protein, all of which improve the appearance and texture of the skin as well as deeply hydrated. Next at number 9, we have SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore 2, 4-2. Technically, the Augustinus Bader cream also works as an anti-aging moisturizer, but this SkinCeuticals moisturizer is specifically designed to target signs of aging. That's because it's infused with specific lipids like natural cholesterol, pure ceramides, and fatty acids that are naturally depleted in the skin over time. Adding these lipids back in can help reinforce the skin's barrier and help the skin retain moisture, says Dr. Dean Imraz Robinson, a partner at Modern Dermatology and an assistant clinical professor of dermatology at Yale New Haven Hospital. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Aveeno Eczema Therapy Itch Relief Balm. Dermatologists also liked Aquaphor and Vanicream for those with eczema, because it's unlikely they will trigger any sort of reaction. But for a more dedicated product, Aveeno's Eczema Therapy line has been recommended to us by multiple dermatologists for body lotions and eczema-specific treatments, especially this itch relief balm. Rather than just hydrating, I recommend people with eczema also use calming and anti-inflammatory ingredients, says Nazarian. A core characteristic of eczema is skin inflammation, she notes, so the Aveeno cream with colloidal oatmeal, which is naturally anti-inflammatory, will help soothe any flare-ups. It also contains ceramides to improve the quality of skin with continued use, she adds. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.